Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to install TonHub on mobile. Mobile has two operating systems. One operating system is Android and another operating system is iOS. If you are using iOS, you must go to the App Store. And then type TonHub in search box. Okay, so my phone is Android phone, so I need to go to the Play Store. Play Store has game apps search offer in book. I click search in type ton.hub have in it. Click. Okay, so we will see this screen. This screen has ton.hub have hyphen TonWALET wallet. Okay, click it. Okay, this screen has we will see an install in open button. I have already installed, so we will see open. If you don't have already installed, your phone has you can see install button. Okay, click it. I have already installed, so we will see open. Okay, click it. Okay, so I've already installed. I will go back. And then check your whole screen. Okay, this is my whole screen. We see don't have icon. Click it. Okay, so this screen has two buttons. One button is get a new wallet, and another button is I already have one. So this is what do you mean? If you don't have any wallet, okay, get a new wallet. And then if you have a new wallet, or if you have already CFACE key, okay, click I already have one, but I don't have any wallet, so I click get in new wallet. Okay, so boot another screen. Is create a package. This is very important. We must note this backend CFACE key in your paper or something like that. Okay, so this screen has check I have re-accepted. Okay, this one. Okay, check it. Okay, check in. Click continue. Yeah, we will see your backend keys. This is very important CFACE key. This CFACE key contains 24 words. This is very important. If you are lost these CFACE keys, your wallet is disappear, or every day is lose. So we need to type this CFACE key on the papers. So I have I have see it. Okay, this better. Okay, so the next one is we need to type our create our PIN code. Okay, so if you have a PIN code, or if you don't have PIN code, type it. Okay, I don't have any PIN code, so I type my PIN code 2580. Okay, type again 2580. Okay, so the next thing is protect your wallet. Or this is biometrics. It's me fingerprint, face scan, something like that. Okay, so I click later. Okay, set it later. Yeah, this is congratulations. You have a new wallet. So that's all for today. We were okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video.